Hi, good morning. How are you? How's your night, Anna?
Wala.
They said you look beautiful.
Merci.
What can you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. You need to learn to speak English. So what will you cook for today? What will you cook today?
Today, I don't see.
You don't see. I think you have to cook meatloaf,
Meatloaf.
the one here, the remaining one, and egg.
No egg.
No egg. We'll check egg. Bili tayo ng itlog, guys. Ito, meron tayong dami. Dalawang bata. Yan yung mode of transportation nila dito, guys, na iba. Ayan. Yung kapitbahay namin, ang dami nagpapagawa ng bahay. Bonjour! Bonjour! Saba! Dito tayo bibili ng itlog. Try natin dito. Alam nyo guys, walang kwenta yung mga forma-forma dito. Kasi sobrang maalikabok. As in, grabe. So guys, dito tayo bibili. Fini? 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 Timing. Akala ko nakapila sila. Bonjour! Para siyang sari-sari store. Miso, s'il vous plaît, œuf. One tray. Bonjour. Ang dami ng tao. Yes. Merci. Magkano? 2.8. Mas mura. So guys, tapos na tayo nagbili ng itlog. 36 pieces. Good for 1 week. Ganyan kami katindi kumain ng itlog. Wow, egg is life. Ganun na ba yun? Yung magkapatid nagbubuhat ng pangluto nila. Diyan na yung office namin, lapit lang. So don't forget to share and comment and subscribe to our vlog. Nag-lip balm pa din ako ngayon. Sige na, mag-like na kayo. Check natin kung luto na yung itlog kasi gugutom na ako. It's around 11:30 in the morning. That's the food? Oh. Yan si Ana. Ganun talaga pag dito ka abroad, guys. Kumakain ka ng late. Ito si Jara. Oy, Jara, someone said they want to marry you.
Me?
Yeah. What will your reaction?
Mommy!
You're not married yet, so you want to be married.
Yes.
Ah. Wow.
Pour le vite mat.
Merci.
No.
Where's the meatloaf? You did not cook the meatloaf. Nakalimutan niya. No, the one inside the cabinet. The other, kalimutan. Hindi kasi ako naintindihan na Ana. Parang guess lang siya ng guess. May mali din ako kanina. Okay na yun.